Hello and welcome to day 4 of the 5-day English speaking challenge with Easy English Daily. You're doing amazing, and today is all about something very practical and powerful: asking and answering questions in English. This is how real conversations happen. Repeat after me. I can ask questions. I can answer with confidence. Repeat after me. I can ask questions. I can answer with confidence. Let's start with the most common question words. What, where, when. Who, why, how. Examples: what is your name? Where do you live? When do you wake up? Who is your best friend? Why do you learn English? How do you go to school? Now, repeat after me. What do you like to eat? Where do you work? When is your birthday? Who teaches you English? Why do you watch English videos? How do you practice English? Very good. Part 2. Practice conversations. Now let's practice full Q&A pairs. I'll ask, you answer. Then I'll give sample answers too. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Where do you live? I live in Pune, Maharashtra. What do you do every morning? I wake up, brush my teeth, and go for a walk. Why do you want to learn English? Because I want to speak fluently and grow in life. Now ask yourself 3 questions in English and answer them. Fantastic! This is how you train your brain to think in English. Today's challenge: ask 5 questions to yourself or a partner in English. Then answer them out loud. What time do I wake up? What food do I love? Where do I go on weekends? Why am I learning English? How do I spend my free time? Record your answers. This builds fluency and confidence. You're asking and answering in English now. That's huge progress. Say this loudly with me. I ask questions. I answer clearly. I speak English every day. Say this loudly with me. I ask questions. I answer clearly. I speak English every day. Drop your answer in the comments to this question. Why are you learning English? I'd love to know. Get ready for day 5, your final challenge day, where we'll speak for 1 full minute in English. Let's finish strong. Until then, practice speaking. Believe in yourself. Easy English Daily.